Alright, man. I know YouTube, I ain't been with it like that. Been working, trying to get everything together. Got a little side business I'm running and everything. But nonetheless, back to the main thing, and that's getting this dash and everything correctly in here. And I think I pretty much got it. Still got a little odds and ends to go, but everything in there. Got the console in there, did a little trim work to it. It's actually, and it ain't really going nowhere. I ain't even got it screwed down or nothing. I just pretty much got it connected to it. Got the bezel. Still got to get the dash bezel, but everything looking good. It's starting to look like a new dash, a newer dash out of a new car into an old school. So it's definitely look good to me. And everything coming together. Still got a little more things to go. Still got to get the motor in there. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do 6.0 or 6.2. So I've been playing around with numbers and seeing what I can get. But everything coming. Everything's starting to look good. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with the wires, but might have to pay somebody to come wire this thing up. But other than that, I don't know. I don't even know if I need them, but if I don't need them, please let me know. I'll take them right up out of there, but still got a little bit more things to do. Give another little walk around. Everything looking good. Everything still looking good. What them there? Yeah. But yeah, if I don't need them wires, please let me know. But everything looking good, everything coming together. I must say, for the T-top. But everything coming, man. Everything coming. Everything's gonna look good, though. Everything going. But yeah, subscribe, man, and leave comments and let me know. This is my first time doing this, so man, if I can do it, anybody can do it, man. Like I said, today, man, everything in I still gotta do the little modification for that, for the lights. Gotta take that out the old dash. That's why I still got that. But other than that, everything coming, man. Everything coming. So yeah, definitely subscribe, like, comment, whatever. You know what I'm saying? But let me know, and you can follow me on